So let's check out room 562 at the DoubleTree Hilton Manchester Airport. So if you come through the door, you've got a robe, which has got, you've got an ironing board, an area for your bags, tea and coffee facilities, then you come into the bathroom. I've got a bath and shower, DoubleTree shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, sink, toilet, decent sized bathroom. Then into the main area we've got a chair, plenty of countertops, mirror, TV, table, seating area. I'm sure that turns into a sofa bed. Now there's no plug sockets at the side of the beds. Got a decent bed, and Kev with the most expensive crisps on the planet. Doritos are how much, Kev?
£5.6 million with a £10,000 prize.
And realistically they were
£5.
£5.50. So it's a decent sized room, and for the price that we got it, it's okay. We prefer the location of this hotel to the Premier Inn, but would I say it's the most modern of rooms? No. So if you get a good price, as I say, for location, I would definitely recommend the Hilton.